Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at why your iPhone 12 battery is yellow and how you can fix it. So you can see here on my iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro, the battery indicator can go yellow. Now normally when your phone battery goes below 20%, it will go to yellow to preserve your battery life. So if you want to turn it off, what you can do is from your home screen, tap on settings, and in settings you want to go down and tap on battery, and then tap on low battery mode or low power mode, and then you can see as soon as I tap on it, the battery icon goes to black, and there it is. Now if it's in low power mode and if you charge it up above 80%, then your battery indicator should go back to black. Now sometimes you may not turn low power mode on intentionally. Sometimes it could be when your phone goes below a certain threshold, such as below 20%. The message will come up and ask you, do you want to turn it on? And you may simply just tap on the turn on button without realizing that will activate the yellow battery icon or the indicator right here. So that's how you can turn it off, by going to the settings and then to battery and then turn off low power mode. Now another way you can do it is to add in the low power mode into the control center right here. So from the settings screen you go down and tap on control center, and then in here you tap on add low power mode, and that will add to the control center. So if we swipe down now, you can see you can tap on the low power mode switch to turn it on or off, and now it's on and now it's off, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.